In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Lovable design to Figma. We'll move through the exact flow step by step so you can follow along confidently and avoid common snags. First, open your preferred browser and search for Figma. Click through to the official Figma site and log in with your account. Make sure you're signed into the workspace where your file lives so everything is accessible in the next steps. Once you're in, open the file you'll be working on and select the content you want to export. This can be a piece of text, an image, or a full frame. Selecting the right layer or frame up front keeps the export clean and avoids pulling in extra elements you don't need. If you have multiple items that belong together, group them or select the parent frame so the structure stays intact. Now head to the menu at the upper left. From there, go to Plugins, then choose Manage Plugins. This is where you'll search for the tools that handle the export. In the search field, type builder.io. When the builder.io plugin appears, click Run. This opens the plugin panel right inside Figma, so you can continue without leaving your file. In the plugin, look for Smart Export. Click the small arrow next to it to reveal more options, then choose Classic Export. Classic Export is a reliable path when you want predictable output and a bit more control. Next, choose the version you want to export. If you maintain multiple versions, this helps you lock in the exact state you intend to hand off. When you're ready, click Open in Lovable. The plugin will prepare your selection and open Lovable so the connection can be established. In the Lovable window, click Connect with Builder. This step links your Builder-powered plugin session to Lovable so assets and metadata can sync correctly. You'll be prompted to authorize the connection. Click Authorize to grant access. This is a standard permission step to securely move your selected design data through the integration. Once authorization completes, click Launch Project. This finalizes the export and spins up the project based on your selection, preserving structure and styles as defined. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your Figma layers well named before exporting, confirm you've selected the correct frame or element, and double check the chosen version so the right iteration is launched. That's the full workflow end to end. Follow these steps and you'll smoothly get your design where it needs to go without surprises.